Welcome to AT Math Academy. This is one more problem related to finding the volume and surface area of a rectangular prism. In my earlier videos, I have shown you and shared a couple of problems and the formula for finding the volume and surface area. So let's use those formulas for finding the volume here. For finding the volume, we need to multiply the length and width and height of the rectangular prism. So in this case, that would be 2 4 by 5 multiplied with 1 3 by 7 multiplied with 3 1 by 8, and the resultant would give us the volume for this prism, and you can write the units as cubic meters. This is how you find out the volume for rectangular prism. And for surface area, I'm indicating my surface area with S. We are using the formula as 2 times length into width plus width into height plus height into length. So in order to do that, we are going to use that formula here. So it would be 2 times length is 2 4 by 5 times 1 3 by 7 width, and 1 3 by 7 times 3 1 by 8, and 3 1 by 8 times 2 4 by 5. So this is how you find out the surface area of the shape. So let's convert now. Each and everything into mixed fractions are needed to be converted into proper fraction. So 2 and 4 by 5. To convert it into proper fraction, 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14 by 5. So this is how you convert it. So you can write it down as 14 by 5 into, we have 1 3 by 7, which is 1 times 7 is 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 by 7. So we can write it down as 10 by 7 for that. And for 3 1 by 8, you'll be getting it as 3 times 8 is 24 plus 125 by 8. So this is how you do it. And 7 times 1 is 7, and 7 times 2 is 14. 5 times 1 and 5 times 2. And 2 times 1 and 2 times 4. Again 2 times 1 and 2 times 2. So that would be 25 over 2, which would be 12.5. 12.5 is the volume. 12.5 cubic meters is the volume. Okay, and this is cubic meters here. And for finding out this one, the surface area, we can use the formula as 2. And for 2 4 by 5, I have it as 14 by 5 here for the proper fraction. So I'm writing it as 14 by 5. And multiplying it with 1 3 by 7, I have it as 10 by 7 into 10 by 7. 14 by 5 into 10 by 7. And let's make a way out here. Plus 1 3 by 4, which would be 1 times 4 is 4 plus 3 is 7 by 4 into 25 by 8 plus 25 by 8 into 14 by 5. So this would be my total value, and when I simplify it, I'm going to get the value as let's do it here. I've rewritten the problem here. So 7 times 1 and 7 times 2, 5 times 1, 5 times 2, which gives us 2 into 2 is 4, plus here 5 times 1, 5 times 5, 7 times 5 is 35 by 8, and here 2 times 4, 2 times 7, and 5 times 1, 5 times 5, so it would be 35 by 4. So we have this. And for different denominators, we need to take the least common multiple, which would be, I'm going to show you how to do that. So the denominator for this is 1. Let's write down it here. And 8 and 4. And for finding the least common multiple, the common table for this is 4 times 2 and 4 times 1. And since we have 1, we can write down the 1 again here. And we already have 1 and 1 here. For the 2, we need to use the 2 table. So we finally got all ones here. So now multiply these numbers here. 4 times 2 is 8. So the common denominator is 8. So 1 needed to be multiplied with 8 here. And 4 needed to be multiplied with 8. 4 times 8 is 32. And here I already have my common denominator as 8, so I'm writing my numerator as it is. And here I need to multiply the numerator and denominator with 2. 4 times 2 is 8, so 35 times 2 is 70, so I'm writing that down here. 2 times 1, 2 times 4, so when you add up this, it will be 32, 35, 70, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 137. So 137 over 4, which will be 4 times 3 is 12, and 1 and 7. 4 times 4 is 16, and 1 and point 4 times 2. So it would be around 34.2 square centimeter is the surface area. So this is how you solve it, and this is a total glimpse of the problem. And the formulas are length into width into height for volume, and for surface area it is 2 times length width plus width height plus height into length. And convert the proper fractions, mixed fractions into proper fractions, and then finish doing the volume. And for finding the surface area, since we need to add up everything and the denominators differ, we are finding the least common multiple and multiplying it with that, so that the numerator and denominator gets the same values, and we are evaluating the surface area. So hope you all like my video, and please subscribe to AT Math Academy. Thank you.